I'm Curt Frye. In this video, I would like to show you how to create an Excel template that you can use as the basis for new workbooks or worksheets that you create in Excel. My sample file is named Excel template, and you can download it using the link that I provide in the video description below. On this workbook, I have a calculation for loan payments. So you have your interest rate, the number of periods per year. That's almost always monthly, at least in the US. The number of years is 6, so I'm assuming there's a car loan, and then the amount. And below that, I have calculated the monthly payment, total interest paid, and the total paid, so that would be the original loan amount plus interest. So we have our monthly payment of $596.72 for a $35,000 car. Total cost to us, $42,963.50. Of course, a loan payment can be used for anything. It can be used for a car, it can be used for a house, it can be used for college. So let's create a template that we can use for other calculations. To save a file as an Excel template file, I will go to the File tab, and then in the Backstage view, I'll click Save As. I'll save it in the same place, which in this case is still in my Downloads folder, but I will change the file type from Excel Workbook to Excel Template. And make sure that you select Excel Template instead of Macro-enabled template. That's because many businesses have security settings that don't let you have macro-enabled workbooks. Templates, regular workbooks, whatever. So we'll just stay with our basic Excel template, and I'll click Save. So the file is now available as a template. And let's try to use it, and I'll show you what will happen if you try to use the file that it's based on while it's already open. So I will go to File, click New, and below I have a series of templates, but the one I just created will be under Personal. So it shows there, but it shows as a blank document. And if I click it, you'll see that it doesn't open. And the reason is because the file that it's based on is still open. So I will click the back button to go back to the file, and then File and Close. So that's been closed. Now I'll go to File, New, and under Templates, I'll click Personal, and the Excel template is there. So I'll click that, and it opens up. Also, please note that the file is called Excel Template 1. And if I were to go to Save As, I see that the file type is Excel Workbook. So I use the template to create a new workbook named Excel Template 1. So that's very useful. And from here, I could save it, for example, for a home loan. So if I do 6%, periods per year is 12, the number of years is 30, and the amount would be $350,000. Then I have a monthly payment of just under $2,100, total interest paid of $405,433.66, and the total paid is more than twice that of the amount that I borrowed because of the length of time that I am paying back. And there's also been some talk in the US recently of having 50-year mortgages. Let me show you why that is a bad idea. So we have 30 years. Instead, we have 50 for a $350,000 loan. Remember, we're currently paying $755,000 total. If I change it to 50 years, I am paying over $1.1 million. So pay your loans as quickly as you can and never, ever get a 50-year mortgage. I hope you enjoyed this movie. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel.